Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video you learn what is electricity, uses of electricity, history of electricity and fundamentals of electricity. So let's start this video. Electricity is all around us, powering technology like our cell phones, computers, lights, soldering irons, fans, air conditioners, washing machines, etc. It is tough to escape it in our modern world. Even when you try to escape electricity, it is still at work throughout nature, from the lighting in a thunderstorm. Do you recognize the person see on your screen? Yes, he is the great Thomas Edison, who invented the first particle long-lasting electric bulb in 1879. Now, what is electricity? Electricity is the set of physical phenomena associated with the presence and motion of matter that has a property of electric charge. Electricity is related to magnetism, both being part of the phenomenon of electromagnetism, as described by Maxwell's equation. Various common phenomena are related to electricity, including lighting, static electricity, electric heating, and many others. Friends, don't skip this video. Please watch the full video for know about electricity. Electricity is briefly defined as the flow of electric charge. Fundamental of electricity. To understand the fundamentals of electricity, we need to begin the focusing on atoms. Atoms exist over 100 different forms as chemical elements like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and copper. Atoms of many types can combine to make molecules which build the matter we can physically see and touch. Even the atoms is not small enough to explain the working of electricity. We need to dive down one more level and look in on the building block of atoms: proton, neutrons, and electrons. Building blocks of atoms. An atom is built with a combination of three distinct particles: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Each atom has a center nucleus where the protons and neutrons are densely packed together. This figure is a very simple atom model. It is not to scale but helpful for understanding how an atom is built. A core nucleus of proton and neutrons is surrounded by orbiting electrons. Every atom must have at least one proton in it. The number of protons in an atom is important because it is defines what chemical element the atom represents. For example, an atom with just one proton is hydrogen, and an atom with 29 protons is copper. This count of protons is called the atom's atomic number. Electrons are critical to workings of electricity. In its most stable, balanced state, an atom will have the same number of electrons as protons. In this figure, Bohr atom model, a nucleus with 29 protons is surrounded by an equal number of electrons. The Bohr model is very useful atom model as we explore electricity. So friends, I hope you learn about electricity. So friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.